going on, guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, you're going to see 4 separate videos of incredible views of some sort of an object in the daytime sky. Broad daylight, you're going to see what looks like an unusual craft visible from 4 different locations. 4 different people that don't know each other that saw what looks like possibly the same thing. Starting off here at the Storm Prediction Center, though, if you see the areas highlighted in yellow or your areas you could be in for storms today, large hail, possible tornadoes, high winds, and of course heavy rains. Yesterday up in Maine, people were snow shoveling piles of hail out of their yards and off their sidewalks as parts of central Maine saw 1-inch and 2-inch hail coming down in copious amounts. Also in New Hampshire, I received a video out of New Hampshire of yesterday's hail event up in the far northeastern United States. And you can see over here at the Ghost 16, storms are starting to lift again as predicted by the Storm Prediction Center. Coming over here to the website, new photo at the homepage of the website sent in by Jeff out of Hot Springs, Arkansas, of what looks like 2 possible tornadoes coming down in Arkansas. This goes back a couple of weeks ago. Photo sent in by Jeff out of Hot Springs, Arkansas. Coming down today's Earth Day list, happy Earth Day to Miss Carrie Diane Galt Love, whose birthday is today, May 23rd. Hope you have a great day. I want to take you guys now up to the skies of Las Vegas. Video footage sent in by Iris J. Goes back to April 23rd of 2022. Notice this object right here in the daytime sky goes from this bank of clouds to this bank of clouds, like it's using the clouds for cover. It was hiding over here and then just went right over there. Wasn't an airplane, didn't have wings, looks like some sort of a unusual cylinder-shaped object in the daytime sky. You're going to get a close-up view of something that looks similar to that, and I mean real close video from a drone. This one's a little difficult to tell exactly what's going on there, but one thing we do know, it's not an airplane, not a helicopter, and I suppose it could be a drone. I'm not up to speed on all the different types of drones that there are nowadays, but that's an unusual object. Here it is in an enhanced format, and obviously I slowed it down exponentially, trying to get a better view of whatever this object was that Chris noticed above Las Vegas. Again, using the clouds as cover, going from this side over here on the right, over here to the left, behind this other bank of clouds. Some sort of a cylinder-shaped object. Here it is in super slow motion, and I enhanced the format, trying to pull forward any possible features, and what you see is what you get here. But exactly what we have here, I don't know. It remains a mystery. I'm going to take you guys now up to Indiana. Video footage sent in by Ty of something in the daytime sky that does not appear to be an airplane or a helicopter, wasn't making any sound. Definitely not a balloon as it's moving from right to left across the screen. This has similarities to the object up in Las Vegas that we just saw, but this is out of Indiana, different day and different location. This too is going behind the clouds right there, but it comes out over here on the left-hand side. They did an excellent job filming this thing. Here I slowed it down, zoomed in the best I could, again trying to pull forward any possible features. I zoom in even more here. Again, I couldn't pull anything in other than what you see right here, some sort of a white cylinder in broad daylight above Indiana, again not making any sound, moving very quietly through the daytime sky. This video was sent in by Ty out of Indiana. I want to take you guys now up to Kalamazoo, Michigan. Video footage sent in by Jan M of something in the daytime sky. It too favors a white cylinder. And again, these people don't know each other. They just happen to look up and notice something unusual in the daytime sky. I'm going to zoom in, slow it down. This here almost looks like it has flapping wings, but it looks way too big to be a bird. If that were some sort of a bird, I think it would be the largest bird to ever fly in the skies above Earth. That thing's absolutely huge, whatever it is. But see what I mean here? How it's got some sort of what look like mechanical features on the sides of it. Almost looks like wings. If that's a bird, that's somewhere in the neighborhood of 50 to 60 feet long. I don't think it is, but then again, stranger things have happened. But again, some sort of a white cylinder, at least that's what it looks like in the daytime sky above Michigan. Now I'm going to take you guys up to a drone. This video footage was just sent in yesterday, sent in by Ali Khan, of a drone situated up in the sky above a freeway. I'm not sure of the location. I'm waiting to hear back on the exact location, but pay attention to the lower right-hand corner. You're going to see something come into the field of view that looks like, you guessed it, a white cylinder object in the daytime sky that just cruises across the freeway. See the shadow over here? Leaves a shadow on the ground that tells us the sun was up here in the upper left-hand part of the field of view, and the shadows are consistent on the craft. You can see the dark side of the craft is over here on the right, same side as the shadow on the ground, so it's definitely there, whatever it may be. Looks like the other cylinders that we saw in the other locations, Indiana, Las Vegas, and Michigan. But this view here was up closer, actually above the craft, looking down from the sky. If I had to guess, I'd say that's somewhere in the neighborhood of 30 to 40 feet long, has some sort of weird features coming off of the sides. They don't look like they're moving. You don't see a propeller on the top or on the sides. Didn't appear to be making any sound. Some sort of a very large cylinder craft in the sky, visible from a drone. Incredible footage. And speaking of incredible, look at this photo sent in by Chris out of Rosemary Beach, Florida. This is a storm system that was moving in off of the Gulf of Mexico, and it was highly photogenic. Chris happened to be in the right place at the right time as that storm was making landfall coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. Also in this video, today's UV reading from out here in Southeast Phoenix at high noon, May 23rd, 2022. UV reading was around a 12. That's the total UVAB estimated was a 9.6. The reading I got was a summertime reading. That's considered extreme UV, and it's still springtime in the northern hemisphere. Also in this video, I've got a brand new picture slideshow, new sky phenomenon photos sent in from all around the world. Starting off in Connecticut, Barbie, incredible sunset reflecting off of the lake in front of her field of view. Colorado Springs, Jessica, very low to the ground, ominous looking storm clouds above Colorado Springs, Colorado. Almost had a bluish color to them. See the blue in the sky up there? And this cloud here looking like it's trying to touch the ground. And then as the storm moved out of the area, a very intense double-decker rainbow filled the skies. Karen out of Bolton, United Kingdom, couldn't help but notice what looked like a square craft or something up in the sky that just didn't look natural. The rest of the clouds obviously look natural. Back here, there's something that's got a series of 90-degree angles on it. That's what compelled her to take this photo of the sky above Bolton, United Kingdom. Great job, guys. Keep the photos coming. If you have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.